Cauchy root test. Summation UN is LA term of the series if limit n tends to infinity, UN less than 1, convergent series greater equal 1, divergent series. Example, summation UN is summation 1 plus 1 upon n to the power minus n square. Cauchy root test. UN to the power 1 by n, 1 by n to the power minus n square into 1 by n. Limit n tends to infinity, UN to the power 1 by n, limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 upon n minus n, which is e to the power minus 1. 1 upon e, which is less than 1. As e lies between 3 and 2. Convergent. Some exponential values limit n tends to infinity, n tends to infinity, 1 minus 1 upon n e to the power 1, limit n tends to infinity, 1 upon n square, e limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus n to the power m e. Now we come on first law test. After raised to test. Limit n tends to infinity, n log un upon un plus 1 is greater 1, convergent, less equal 1, less 1, divergent, equal 1, test fail. If first log test applying second log test, limit n tends to infinity, n log un upon un plus 1 minus 1 log n is greater 1, convergent, less 1, divergent. Up to question. First depend upon First is solved by first log test and second is solved by second log test. Find out nth term of the series. Un n to the power n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 upon factorial un plus 1 n plus 1 to the power n x to the power n divided by factorial n plus 1 un upon un plus 1 n to the power n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 factorial n into n plus 1 factorial n plus 1 to the power n x to the power n x n to the power n upon n factorial n plus 1 factorial n plus 1 to the power n 1 upon x. Factorial n cancel. This step may be written as un upon un plus 1 n plus 1 upon n divided by n plus 1 upon n to the power n 1 upon x. un upon un plus 1 1 plus 1 upon n 1 plus 1 upon n to the power n 1 upon x. As n tends to infinity 1 upon n tends to 0 1 plus 1 upon n to the power n is e. The value of e lies between 2 and 3. So limit n tends to infinity un upon un plus 1 is 1 upon ex. If greater 1 or x less 1 1 upon e convergent series x is greater than 1 upon e divergent series x is 1 upon e raised to test rate. That x is 1 upon e un upon un plus 1 1 plus 1 upon n divided by 1 plus 1 upon n to the power n into e. Applying first log test. N log un upon un plus 1 n log of 1 plus 1 upon n into e divided by 1 plus 1 upon n to the power n log 1 plus 1 upon n log e minus log 1 plus 1 upon n as log e is 1 so log un upon un plus 1 and log 1 plus n plus e minus n log 1 plus 1 upon n. Expanding log 1 plus x is x square by 2, x cube by 3rd, up to dash, and log un upon un plus 1 and 1 by n minus 2 upon n square up to dash plus 1 minus n 1 upon n 2 upon n square up to dash, neglecting higher terms. un upon un plus 1 and 1 upon n 2n square plus 1 n upon n minus 1 2n n log of un upon un plus 1 and 1 by n 2n square minus 1 plus 1 upon 2n. Limit tends to infinity and log un upon un plus 1. Limit tends to infinity n by n. Cancel out 3 by 2 minus 1 upon 2n. N tends to infinity. This step will be 0, 3 by 2, which is greater than 1, convergent. Now results are x less 1, 1 upon e, convergent, x is greater than 1 upon e, divergent, equal, convergent. For this example, find out any term of the series leaving first term any term of the series 1, 3, 5 up to dash AB 2n minus 1 2, 4, 6 AP 2n. Any term of the series un is 1, 3, 5 up to dash 2n minus 1 to the power p divided by 2, 4, 6 2n to the power p. un plus 1 contains all the terms of un and one term is extra in another area. 1, 3, 5 up to dash 2n minus 1 2n plus 1 divided by 2, 4, 6 2n plus 2 to the power p. Applying ratio test un upon un plus 1, these terms cancel out. First place, second place, third place, fourth place. Fourth place reaches to first place. 2n plus 2 to the power p, 2n plus 1 to the power p. Ratio test, limit n tends to infinity, 2n to the power p divided by 2n to the power p 1 plus 2 upon 2n to the power p upon 1 plus 2n to the power p. n tends to infinity, this is equal to 1. Ratio test fails. Now applying first law of test. Limit n tends to infinity, n log of un upon un plus 1. Limit n tends to infinity, n log of 2 upon 2n to the power p 1 plus 1 upon 2n to the power p. Limit n tends to infinity, np log 1 plus 1 upon n minus log 1 plus 1 upon 2n. Expansion of log 1 plus x minus x square by 2 x cube by third up to dash. Limit n tends to infinity, np 1 by n 1 upon 2n square 1 upon 3 n cube up to dash minus 1 upon 2n 1 upon 2n square plus up to dash. Infinity p 1 upon 2, the value comes out to p by 2, which is greater than 1 or p greater to convergent, p by 2 less 1 or p less 2 divergent, p by 2 is 1 or p equal to 2 log test. We calculate second term. This will comes out to 3 upon 8 n square. Applying second law of test. After failure of first law of test, limit n tends to infinity, n log un upon un plus 1 minus 1 log n. Limit n tends to infinity, 2 upon 2 1 minus 3 upon 4n up to dash minus 1 log n. N tends to infinity, minus 3 upon 4 log n upon n. As n tends to infinity, log n upon n 0, so the value is 0. Less 1 divergent. P equal to 2 divergent. After this, limit n tends to infinity, un upon un plus 1 is greater 1 convergent, less 1 type 1 fails the test. Rabi's test, limit n tends to infinity and un upon un plus 1 is greater 1 convergent, less 1 divergent, equal 1 fails, then De Morgan's Wharton test, limit n tends to infinity and un upon un plus 1 minus 1 log of n greater 1 convergent, less 1 type. It is so placed that x c or x 1 upon e first law of test is applicable. Limit n tends to infinity and log un upon un plus 1 is greater than 1 convergent, less 1 divergent, 1 log test fails. When first log test fails, second log test is applicable. Limit n tends to infinity and log un upon un plus 1 minus 1 log n is greater 1 convergent, less 1 type. Summation even is u1 minus u2 plus u3 minus u4 up to dash. u1 is greater than u2 is greater than u3 is greater than u4 up to dash. First, the term are positive and negative alternate. Second, every next term is decreasing. Then, if limit n tends to infinity, un is 0, convergence series. This is called Leibniz test. One by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 up to s. un 1 upon n, limit n tends to infinity. un limit n tends to infinity. 1 upon n, 0 convergent series. Absolute convergence. first summation is convergent. Mod un means only term taking positive. Summation un is convergent, then summation un is called absolute convergent. Conditional convergent, summation un is convergent and summation un is divergent. Mod means taking all the terms are positive. Then it is said to be conditional convergent. Example 1 upon 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, up to dash. Absolute convergent 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Conditional convergent.